Dear young man, congratulations on taking the first step towards finding love. Getting your first girlfriend can be a wonderful experience, but it requires patience, effort, and a willingness to take risks. Here are some tips to help you on your journey. 1. Focus on self-improvement. Before you start looking for a girlfriend, focus on improving yourself first. This means taking care of your physical and mental health, cultivating your interests and passions, and developing your social skills. Confidence, positivity, and a strong sense of self-worth are attractive qualities that will help you in your search for love. As someone who has had many experiences with women, I can tell you that focusing on self-improvement is truly important. When I was younger, I made it a point to be well-read, knowledgeable about different cultures, and skilled in music and languages. These qualities made me an interesting and attractive person to many women. 2. Meet new people. To find a girlfriend, you need to meet the new people. This means getting involved in social activities and events that interest you, such as joining clubs, volunteering, or attending parties. Be open to meeting new people, and don't be afraid to strike up conversations with women you find interesting. Meeting new people was also crucial in my search for love. For example, when I was in Venice, I would attend masked balls, go to the theater, and visit the salons of noble women to expand my social circle. By exposing myself to different social settings, I was able to meet and connect with the many interesting women. 3. Be a good listener. When you meet someone you like, focus on getting to know her as a person. This means being a good listener, asking thoughtful questions, and showing genuine interest in her life and interests. Avoid coming on too strong or making her feel uncomfortable. Being a good listener is another key trait that has helped me in my relationships. One of my greatest conquests, Henriette, was initially unimpressed with me until I showed genuine interest in her life and listened attentively to her stories. By focusing on her, I was able to build a strong emotional connection with her and win her heart. 4. Take things slow. Building a relationship takes time and patience. Don't rush things or try to force a connection. Instead, focus on building a strong foundation of friendship and trust. Be respectful of her boundaries and let the relationship develop naturally. Taking things slow and building a strong foundation of trust is also important. In my relationships, I always made sure to respect my partner's boundaries and take the time to build a deep emotional connection. This is how I was able to form lasting relationships with many of the women I was with. Finally, communication is crucial in any relationship. My relationships were built on a foundation of honest and open communication. By being sincere and forthright with my partners, I was able to establish a sense of trust and deep connection. 5. Communicate honestly. Communication is key in any relationship. Be honest and open with your feelings and intentions, but also be respectful of her feelings and boundaries. Listen to her needs and concerns, and work together to find solutions to any problems that arise. Remember, my young man, finding love takes time and effort. Love is not something that can be forced or rushed. It requires patience, effort, and a willingness to take risks. But with perseverance and a positive attitude, you can find the right person for you. Be patient, stay true to yourself, and don't be afraid to take risks. With perseverance and a positive attitude, you will find the right person for you. Good luck.